Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use frames in Canva with an easy method. First, open Canva and either create a brand new design or open one you are already working on. Next, look for the Elements tab located on the left-hand sidebar of your screen. Once you are there, simply type Frames into the search bar. You will see a wide variety of frame options appear, ready for you to choose from and incorporate into your creative projects. This simple step gets you started quickly. Once you have found a frame you like, simply click on it to add it directly to your design canvas. It will appear instantly, ready for customization. You can easily adjust its size by dragging any of the four corners, making it larger or smaller to fit your vision. If you need to change its orientation, just use the circular handle to rotate it to any angle you desire. This flexibility allows for perfect placement in your design. Now for the fun part, adding your images. This is incredibly straightforward. Simply drag and drop any image from your uploaded files or from Canva's extensive photo library directly onto the frame. You will see the image automatically snap into place, perfectly filling the frame's unique shape. If you need to fine-tune its position or size within the frame, just double-click the image. This opens up options to adjust it precisely, ensuring your visuals look exactly right. Frames offer so much creative potential beyond just holding a single photo. Try using several frames together to build a dynamic photo collage or a structured grid layout, showcasing multiple images beautifully. Don't limit yourself to basic shapes. Experiment with letter frames, abstract designs, or even unique cutouts to add visual interest. Frames are also fantastic for creating professional mock-ups or highlighting product images, giving your designs a polished and engaging look. Get creative and explore all the possibilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.